Hey everybody, you want to learn how to trigger MIDI via Aitum? Well, I'm going to show you how. Now, while I'm not going to go over how to connect MIDI to your computer, mine is run via USB with an X32 rack. That's what we will be demoing today. So you can use MIDI to do all sorts of things by controlling your device that's out there with the computer, or vice versa. You can use the device to control your computer. We're going to do the latter. So let's create a new rule. We'll call it MIDI test. And we're going to say our trigger is going to be our MIDI device here, which is our X Live or X32 device. Now you don't have to put a trigger type in. I'm going to click learn, and then on my device here, which is my iPad, I'm going to click a button. It'll learn what that button is, and that will be our trigger. Here we go. I'm going to click this button. Now you'll see it's automatically filled in the blanks for you. You don't have to know what that button's control values are. Your computer learns it automatically. Now we can say, when I click that button, I want Aitum to play. We'll go with a fart because that's just my go-to at full frickin' blast through our voice meter, and we'll create that rule. Now what will happen is if I click this button, I'm going to click it now, you should hear the fart. Let's go. And that's how it's done. If you have any questions, just let me know. MIDI setup can sometimes be complicated, so just make sure you have your device configured properly. The Aitum side is easy. See you guys later.